As we drive north from Traverse City, we're greeted with a few rainy days in northern Michigan. While bad weather is usually annoying while living in a truck camper, we took it as an opportunity to catch up and enjoy time with family. Come along as we explore the beach at Fisherman's Island State Park and then make a classic camping meal. Welcome to Living Large Camping. Alrighty, here we go.
I don't know if you can tell, but it is misting, a little bit of rain, really gray and overcast, and very windy today. So we'll see what we do with the day. Not gonna lie, backing up into your spot in the rain is pretty difficult and not so easy because the windows have to be up so we don't get rain in the car, but then we can't hear each other. Just one of those things. But even though it's rainy, it is beautiful, woodsy, and just a nice peaceful spot. Close walk to the water if you want, but we won't be doing that today since it's so rainy. Really pretty here. Slumber party.
No. Well, we've just been hanging out for a little while. We actually went and explored a little roadside market called Royal Farms along 31 on the western side of Michigan. It was a really cute little spot. They didn't have too much inside, but it was just a nice way to escape the rain and check out some other parts of this area. But now the rain has kind of slowed down and it looks like there's beach access nearby, so I think we're gonna walk around and see how crazy the water looks just right now.
Cue the rain!
Yeah, apparently it's not done yet.
Drops to the floor. They said it would get easier, but I don't know who for. Days move fast and now I swear I can feel them slip away. But some things last forever, the love it never fades. For the young and free, but you kept every word you said and you stayed true to me. You lean into the great beyond, there's more love yet to make.
Mark.
Some things last forever. Slowly as his mind lost more every day. Quietly she walked beside and tended in her way.
So as you can see, we just got back from the beach, lake area. It's still Lake Michigan over here on the west coast. From where we are, it's only about a half-mile walk, so very close, easy, and doable. But it is still pretty gloomy and rainy, so there weren't many people out there, which was nice. And even though it is rainy out, the water was beautiful. It was nice to explore it and just get out from being inside the camper all day.
Now that we're back, we are going to head over to the neighbors for dinner. I think we're going to grill some burgers tonight, and not sure what sides we're going to do. Maybe a salad. Not really sure exactly what all we have because I haven't been to the store in a few days, but it's been so nice hanging out with them. They are loving their time in Michigan. I think coming from Texas, they had no idea what to expect when they got up here, and just like me, I've just been blown away ever since. So we're having a good time here. We are at Fisher Island State Park, just outside of Traverse City before you get to Charlevoix. And yeah, it's only $20 a night, but they are rustic sites, so no water hookups, no electric, but we don't need that because we've had enough solar the last few days to keep us going.
Because some things last forever, the love it never fades. Dishes and tears, I'm standing here. I know it sounds cliche. A blanket of this history covers me today. In between the bliss and underneath the edge.
Hi!
Come on, Bark. Hey, you ready? Go to bed. Sure we can't help clean anything?
No, God.
I said, look.
Some things last forever, but love it never fades.
I was just brushing my teeth and you can see my breath inside. Let's see if you guys can see. You see that? It is 50 out. So it's gonna be a good night's sleep.
Just a nice relaxing evening here. We didn't play cards or anything. We just hung out with Dad and Sarah, had nice talks, and it was a relatively early night for us. The hard part up here is the fact that the sun doesn't set until like 9:30, so it's still light out at 10:30, which makes staying up late really easy. So we're excited to be in bed a little earlier tonight, and it was just a nice day here.
We're just trying to set a better sleep schedule. We'll see if we stick to it, but we'll pick you guys back up with coffee in the morning.
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Desperate need of a shower. Also, this guy wedged this huge fifth wheel in down there. That's pretty impressive.
Well, good morning, guys. We are actually leaving early today and parting ways with Connor's dad and stepmom, sadly.
It's so fun to be able to camp with them, and we've loved being with them for at least the last two videos for y'all. We've spent a few extra days away from the camera with them, which is always really nice. But they're headed towards Maine, and they're going to go through Canada, so I can't wait to hear all about their adventures. It's kind of the route that we did last year, so hopefully they get some good fall colors and just some really pretty weather in the Northeast this year.
We do need to find a place because we both are in desperate need of showers, and we also have to get our oil change and tires rotated soon. So I think that's what we're going to do with you guys next video.
We actually have some friends up in this area, so I think we're going to take the camper off because every time we go in to have the truck serviced, they can't rotate the tires because it's too high in the shop or they don't have lifts heavy enough for it. So we're going to take the camper off, actually get the tires rotated and the oil change on the truck because we're at about 20,000 miles on it. It's been incredible so far and we've had no issues, but it is time for an oil change because we're going to put quite a few miles on it here this fall.
But as always, we hope you guys enjoyed this video coming along with us as we spend some quality time with his dad and stepmom, and just stay tuned for some more summer adventures.
We hope you guys enjoy, and we'll see you next video. Hope you have a large day.
Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.